guys, welcome back to my channel. You know, your girl's in her content creator bag this year for reals, okay. So yeah, today I'm gonna be showing you how I install these Goddess Locs. Yeah, baby. So this was the first time ever trying this method, so I would say for my effort I give it like a 7 out of 10 because it's not bad really. But for the hair, y'all, for me this is like a solid, probably like a 7 out of 10 because the curls be mad tangling, and oh my god, I gotta have like a bottle of water with conditioner just to make it work. But yeah, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Remember to watch the video, comment down below what you think, and if you are a regular, thank you so much for supporting me over the years, and I hope you continue to be a supporter. Okay, baby. Yeah guys, so my hair look like this. Probably some people so I don't know, I'm not sure yet, whatever. But like my did my hair red, and is that my hair grew, but at the same time I really see the change and fresh. I'm gonna start for them parts, yeah. We didn't know what this video, but we didn't know what I'm going to be able to. I'm going to do so I'm going to cut stuff, and then I'm going to do some Goddess Locs. So you guys just stay tuned for that. Yeah. You look like one man. Guys, I'm officially a member of the little hair community. Like, oh my god, she's bald and she's terrorizing people with hair. If you're a TikTok girly, then you'll definitely get the joke. But you know, bye right here. It's time for a fresh start, and it's time for new growth, baby. I ain't gonna miss your ass. Yeah guys, good girl got time for her ear sheets. Give it a little ear, about 5-inch ear this, about 5-inch ear this time. Yeah, I can't argue with nobody again about them ear, about my ear top. So they about 5-inch ear my from ear. But I'm gonna be doing some Goddess Locs. I already started the process. Them not too bad people. At the first time me I do this method, first time me I install them type of ear here. As like I said, it start the work already. Obviously, I just do that, whatever. Because once if I can get a hang of the process. So what I'm gonna do is reach look a bit closer to up here, so I start showing what me I do in detail and everything, so I can, you know, sight it pre, and yeah, I'm gonna go and mash it up. So I'll see y'all in a few. I went ahead and prep my head off camera like I showed you guys. Got a front part to do. So what we're gonna be using today, gonna be I'm using this to wrap the roots. I wasn't using this originally to do the bottom part. I was using some yarn here. It's kind of a little bit too stiff, so I decided to get some Afro twist. You can use passion twist, Bahamian twist, whatever, but I'm gonna be using this. So obviously you can see that we'll be installing some Goddess Locs, baby. Where I put my pressure needle. So the method that I've been doing is okay guys, so like I was saying previously, we're gonna be doing the knotless method. I wanted to make this video as detailed as possible for y'all to see what I'm doing. So basically, as you can see, I have my parts here. What you're gonna do is you want to insert the crochet needle at least 1 to 2 inches away from here, whatever works for you. I did about 3 inches. I'm not even sure because I wasn't really measuring it like that. Then I insert the crochet needle through the plait, just like what I'm doing right here. As I said, guys, it's the first time I'm doing this. I'm not a pro, but you know, next time I'm gonna get it right. So what I did was I took the free-looped Goddess Loc. It's already pre-made, so it makes this hairstyle really easy. And I'm gonna attach it to the crochet hook, close the hook, pull it through my hair. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back in, open up the loop, and then I'm gonna pull my hair through the loop just to lock in the lock on my hair. And as you can see right there, and tighten it perfect. So that is what you want to do, guys. You want to make sure that the lock is secure to your hair. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat this process again for y'all to see. Guys, so we're gonna be repeating the same steps like I showed you before, just to make sure you guys grasp it. You're gonna get your pre-looped hair and your crochet needle. You're gonna want to insert your crochet needle about 2 to 3 centimeters away from the root of your hair. You're gonna stick it through, attach your pre-loop hair, and then you're gonna want to pull it through your braid. Now once you've rightfully secured the pre-looped lock through your hair, you're gonna want to grab the end of your braid and pull it through the loop, just to make sure that you lock in everything properly. You want to make sure that the locks is tied to your hair so it doesn't fall off the bone, you know. And once you've rightfully secured the lock to your braid, you just want to grab your base hair. Like I showed you guys before, I'm using an Afro twist. You can use passion twist or whatever you want. And then you're just going to want to wrap the base of your hair. This is what's going to give it the knotless illusion. You know, to avoid the little bumps at the root. This is what we doing, baby. And look at it. It's not too bad to say that I'm a first timer. I know, right? Guys, so you know the wrapping, you're going to continue wrap until you cover the ending part, the little short piece that you add there, just to make sure it matches up back to the lock, because you don't want that piece to be, you know, out there like that. Yeah, my phone ran out of storage while I was filming, so I didn't get to show you the ending part. So I'm trying to do it again for you guys right here, just so y'all can see me wrapping the hair and how I finish it. And for the finishing end, sometimes I put like glue just to secure the wrapping hair onto the lock. Not too much though, because then it's gonna make the hair look white, and you don't want that. So you guys can see me grabbing a piece more of the Afro twist here. You don't want to use like too little or too less, and you don't want it to be like too short or too tall. So what I do sometimes is just cut mine in half, just so I can have enough hair to wrap my entire head. And I go back in and I repeat the same process. I make one part shorter, one part longer, so the wrapping part is the longer piece that we're gonna use. And I just wrap it. When I'm wrapping it, I try to count like 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 when I'm wrapping the hair on the lock. And like I said, and I'm only use a little bit of glue and not too much glue, because you don't want it to be white, to secure the hair onto the lock. And then I'll just rub it. Like I just use my hand and rub. So guys, after I finished wrapping this lock, I kind of realized that some of my hair was showing, and I just went in with a little piece more here just to wrap over that section right there. You don't really have to do that, especially if your hair is black, because I don't really think it matters that much, and your hair is bound to, you know, come out of the lock at some point. So I just continue to repeat the process, you know, with the crochet needle, attach the loop hair to my braided hair, and then wrap. So I'm showing you guys again just so y'all can see what I did to achieve this knotless look. done in my entire life when it comes on to locks. It saved me so much time. I couldn't even believe it. I was so relaxed while doing this hairstyle. Other times I be stressed or I be bugging, but I definitely love this method, guys, and I definitely recommend you guys to try this method when doing your locks. So guys, due to the fact that my phone was dying and it kept running out of space, I just went off camera just to finish prepping the front of my hair by securing the lock to the braids. And you know, I also finished like half portion of my head. So I already showed you guys what I did to attach the locks to the hair and how I wrapped it at the base. So as you can see, this was what one side of my head was looking like after I finished wrapping it, and this is what the other side was looking like after I finished wrapping it. So like I said, I went off camera to finish doing my hair, and guys, this was the finishing result. I'm in love. Like, I'm really in love. Guys, this hairstyle is super light, it's easy to do, and it looks good, and it's convenient for the summer because you know this hairstyle is trending. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let me know if you guys want to see me do more hair installs.
Cause you